Happy Friday, everyone, or possibly Sunday. I think we were talking about moving these videos to Sunday, but who knows? I'm Trevor, and this is the Wood Style Shinobi. Today, we are going to do a few things on my Great Guitar Build-Off 2021 Berserk Challenge. And first step is, I think I want to go ahead and start with the fretboard. I got a piece of wood all picked out. I'm not sure what kind of wood it is. Probably maple or something. We'll get to it when we get to it. I want to get the fretboard on. It's going to be a little more complicated than that, I suppose. It's going to be fretted fretboard and half fretless. You know, it's going to be a wacky ass bass that I definitely bit off more than I could chew. So hopefully it comes out right. I also want to go ahead and get all the pocketing done. So the pickup pockets and the back control pockets. So besides that, I think that might be everything. Fretboard, pockets, get the frets on the fret half, and then go from there. Anyways, let's get to the action. Later! All right, everybody. It's been real, but I think this is where I'm going to cut it off for this episode because, well, it needs to be edited and, you know, it's really a time sink to film and build. So this is what we got so far. I got the fretboard all planed down. I got half of it glued on. I'm going to put the frets on this in between episodes. And went ahead and got the curse mark taken care of on the inlay. Got all the pockets done. Now I just need to take a chisel to those, flush them all out, and fit my hardware and all that. I think on the next episode, we're going to go ahead and we're going to smooth everything out. We're going to get the hardware on the headstock, get the nut on. We're going to shape the back of the guitar neck, I think. This is going to be a challenge. But besides that, I just want to thank you guys for checking out this video. Hope you really enjoy my build so far, and hopefully it gets better. But anyways, go ahead and like, subscribe, comment, share. Check us out on Facebook, Twitter, all that good stuff. I was on an episode of the Guitar Builders podcast. Make sure you check that out for all the lowdown on this bad boy so far. Anyways, until next time, later!